Do you guys want to be healthy? Try this drink. It's called
Parrot coconut juice with pulp. I bought it for $125 plus tax, $129. It's good and it refreshes you. Buy it at 50-cent Fruit Loop. Buy it at the 99-cent store on Tweety and San Gabriel. Next to Paylist.
And the brand is Parrot.
Pretty good.
And healthy.
Oh, what's that?
What time?
She farted!
No, I didn't.
She farted!
You're gonna go? A las 3?
Yeah, her, she farted.
How are you gonna get to live? Are you gonna get a ride or are you gonna walk?
Pick that up.
Go, come. You're going to get a chance to
I didn't fart. You did. You guys heard it.
It was my sister. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
My demon sister.
Because she has no shadow.
Ya cállense.
Can I share that? Shake it.
Oh yeah, and before you drink it, shake it.
And drop it. Making a video.
Fuck crack, shut up.
This is a pulp. Little coconut juice. Little coconut pieces. It's good. It's getting hot.
Mine not.
Drink it, it's gonna get hot.
Diana!
Diana, stop farting! Stop farting, Diana, gosh.
I know,
Oh,
stop.
Out. Huh.
Mm-hmm.
¿No hemos comido?
Diana! Stop farting.
Damn, Diana, you ate too many beans.
The public does not want
Shut
to.
the fuck up, Brady, bitches.
Oh, I think it's stuck there. Oh, it is. Oh, my iPad. Shut up. Stuck there for life, isn't it?